We are thrilled to show you this majestic mansion dollhouse designed by KidKraft. It's 4 stories tall and is about 4.5 feet tall. It features an elegant layout with 35 pieces of furniture and accessories, and it's perfect for your Barbies, Monster, or Ever After High, or even Disney dolls. If you are excited about taking a tour of this house, then keep on watching because we have Frankenstein as our tour guide. First stop is the garage. Here we have doors that swing open, and as you can see, there's a fancy interior. And as you can tell on the ground, there's even tire marks, which I thought was pretty neat. From the garage, we are entering into the kitchen area, and as you can see, we have a dining set as well as a high chair. And in the back of Frankie, we also have a stove and a sink and a little section where you can put your dishes or whatever you want. May I add that these furniture pieces are just well crafted. I'm just so impressed with them. And here, why don't we go ahead and check in the refrigerator? Okay, Frankie, what do we got? We have Shopkins! Hi! Shopkins are so fun. Oh, and we have more! Hi, guys! Okay, now we're going to enter into the other dining area. In the back you can see that there is a grandfather clock and another dining set. Why don't we take a stroll upstairs? Up the stairs we go onto the second floor. And to the left there is a lounge area. There's Frankie relaxing on the couch. Okay, Frankie, let's go outside and see what we got here. I would say this is a garden slash patio area. Maybe a tanning area for your dolls. Now going to the opposite side of the dollhouse, we are entering into a little relaxing area, and we have Frankie playing on the grand piano for us. And what else do we have here? Let's go upstairs. Here's the elevator that leads from the 2nd to the 3rd floor. And what do we have here? We have our very own master bedroom. And here on the bed, it fits all of your 12-inch dolls, and we have a little kitty cat. And what doll would not want her own vanity? That is so cute. Okay, oops. Frankie, pull up your skirt. Okay, hi. Hey guys. Okay, now we're gonna enter into the bathroom. We got our own toilet here and our own tub. On the 4th floor, we have our nursery. There you can see a lamp and a rocking crib. So if you have any baby dolls, this part of the dollhouse is perfect.